Hey food lovers, ready to spice up your appetizer game? Today I've got a killer recipe for you, mouth-watering stuffed jalapeños. Perfect for game day parties or any occasion that calls for a delicious snack. First, let's gather our ingredients. Fresh jalapeno peppers, cream cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, and bacon strips. Alright, let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Next, slice your jalapeños in half lengthwise and remove those seeds. Trust me, you don't want that extra heat. In a mixing bowl, combine cream cheese, shredded cheddar, garlic powder, and onion powder. Mix it all up until it's creamy and delicious. Now take each jalapeno half and stuff it with that cheesy goodness. Don't be shy, pack it in there. Here comes the fun part, wrapping each stuffed jalapeno with a strip of bacon. Make sure it's nice and snug. Place your bacon-wrapped jalapeños on a baking sheet. Pop them in the oven and bake for 25 minutes or until the bacon is crispy and golden. And there you have it. Cheesy, spicy, and oh so savory stuffed jalapeños. Perfect for any occasion. Give this recipe a try and let me know how yours turn out in the comments below. Happy cooking and enjoy!